Name of the absolute complete mind. We're going to speak today about a lifestyle that we all comprehend to know, we all want to know, which is polygamy. It's only foreign because a lot of you put so much thought and ideas on what you can't comprehend, although the most part is nature allowing itself to flow. What I mean by that, like the animals, the birds, the bees, the insects, they just is. Only so-called human beings care and have to be schooled and mentally manipulated. And yes, I said schooling, television, all these different things are mental manipulations on how they pattern or they want you to think or conceive things. When in actuality, nature is a complete teaching in itself. Once when you allow nature to teach you, allow things to go fluently, allow your mind and your heart to go fluently, you don't need no other distraction. You allow other things to distract you when you listen to other ideologies, other shows is what they're showing you. You pretty much understand what I mean. Although it's natural for male and female. What you're seeing out here, the phenomenon of baby mamas and different things, you see it as part of a physical sexual phenomenon, as we are in a sexist society. Although because the frequency and the display of what they're doing is so low, it taints what is natural. It's just like a sex drive. Naturally, a man and a woman is sexually attracted to each other. That's nature. You don't have to teach that. Naturally, a child comes in this world sucking a bottle or learning how to eat. He or she needs no textbook for that. You don't need a textbook when you come in this world to breathe, even though your brains haven't even been developed completely. But you don't need those things. I have mastered the studies of studying nature, and it will constantly teach you if you allow it to. If you go against it, as this world's teaching you to go against nature by eating the wrong things, and you find out when you're not eating the proper nourishment of vegetables and fruit, which is of the earth and natural, then you get sick. In your relationships today, because you all have this selfish agenda for one another on who's going to rule the relationship, who's going to